Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Abdul Fattah here. In this video we are testing a interior light. When you on your interior light, this is the light that will show. Is not displaying on this radio panel. Okay, now we are going to test from this back socket. This is the back socket of the radio to see where there is current on it. Let me on it and you see, guys. As you can see, this is my hand on the parking light, that is interior light, while this is a socket. As you can see, there is a light on it while the alarm is sounding. When I off it, it will go off. When I on it, it will go on. Now that shows that from the screen of the radio there is a damage. As you can see, it's black. When I unplug it back to the position, as you can see, guys, when I unplug it, you see that the screen is not showing much, but it's working, but it's not displaying much. Okay, as you can see, that shows that the screen has a problem. It needs to be replaced. Alright guys, thank you for listening by and thank you for watching. If you find value from this video, kindly share and subscribe and smash the like button. See you on my next video.